at the close of the case, Malutono addressing on the merits. It's not true that Ms. Kelly...
Yeah, but Ms. Mshololo, this court must establish what is true and what is not true. Not you or Mr. Baloyi.
Mr. Baloyi.
It's the duty of this court. You can present evidence to prove that or to disprove that. And this court has to analyze objectively that evidence and decide where the reasonableness.
It's very difficult to accept.
Is that so?
Let's proceed, my lord. Very difficult to accept it.
As a court, please, we don't want to repeat ourselves, but once again, Advocate Msholo does speak for us. The lady will explain, was this a WhatsApp call, was this a direct call, what happens if someone calls another party on a WhatsApp call. And we've explained that over and over to Ms. Msholo, and what she's saying is not
And I take it, as you said yesterday, she's also going to explain
Yes.
the so-called duplication of numbers.
Yes.
Because me and you, on Sesliaket, we say it has been proved that there's a number which belongs to a person in Durban and also a person in Johannesburg. And you are saying there's some science into that, which the service provider will testify on whether it is possible or not.
Yes.
Fine.
And contextualize.
Yes, quite. Okay, let's make progress.
We don't need...
Lo daba-ke mayelana nalo ummeli ebebuza ngalo uKenneth ukuthi ngazo ithuzi ka-August lelo akusona iqiniso ukuthi-ke uKelly Khumalo wathola-ke ucingo olubuya kuyena-ke uNtuli uthi-ke umshushisi-ke uyeza-ke noma-ke uzobizwa-ke lo osebenza kwa-Vodacom okuyena uPinky Russia Vitilinger. Uyena-ke ozochaza kabanzi-ke ukuthi kwakuyini kwenzeka kanjani i-WhatsApp call, i-SMS noma yini.
Okay. Yes, let's proceed.
Can we proceed on the same transcript for the date, transcript record dated 17 April 2024 on page 29 now under your examination in chief?